Welcome to our quick guide on understanding pricing to make the most of your marketing budget. Whether you're a startup owner or managing marketing for an established company, knowing how to maximize your investment is essential. We'll explore how you can get the most value at every pricing tier using GoHighLevel. First, let's break down the common pricing tiers you may encounter: Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. Each tier offers unique features tailored to different needs and budgets. But how do you choose the right one for your business? At the starter tier, you get essential features at a low cost, ideal for small projects, or if you're just starting out. This tier includes tools for capturing leads, online booking, pipelines, a website builder, and more. It also allows you to add unlimited contacts and users, along with up to 3 sub-accounts. Next, the unlimited tier provides more advanced features, perfect for businesses ready to scale up their efforts. It includes everything in the starter tier, plus API access, unlimited sub-accounts, client accounts, and a branded app. For those who need it all, the SaaS Pro Tier offers the most comprehensive features, along with dedicated support. It includes everything in the unlimited tier: automatic creation of sub-accounts, the ability to set custom markups, and conversation AI rebilling. Understanding pricing isn't just about picking the cheapest option, it's about finding the best value that aligns with your marketing goals. You can explore the Go High Level pricing plans by visiting gohighlevel.com/gohighlevel pricing. And there you have it. Start your 30-day free trial with Go High Level today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a smooth onboarding experience. All the necessary links are in the video description. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more valuable tutorials. And thanks for watching.